This is the third video looking at graph terminology, and we're going to look at bipartite graphs. So bipartite graphs are denoted with a K and two numbers, N and M. So I'm going to look at K22. And what this means is I have two vertices here. Now the two red ones are not allowed to connect directly to each other. But what I can do is I can connect the red to both greens. In fact, I must connect the red to both greens. And this red connects to this green and to this green. So that's a K22. So I'm splitting up the vertices here and here. Another way to think about that is to put the vertices, the red vertices, into a set together like this. And then put the green vertices in a separate set. Now, within this set I've got here, we're not allowed to join the greens together. But we can join the red to the green, like this, and so on. Now, it will become a little bit more complicated if we do a K, let's try a K33, which means I've got three vertices here, and three vertices here, and all I need to do is join every single vertex here with the green, but not with the other reds. So I've got this one, let's use a straight line, I've got this one, I've got this one, etc. I'm going to give you one final way of looking at this. I'm going to think about a K2, and I'm not going to give, let's say M, K2M. So let's imagine that M is 5. We want to do 2 here and 5 along the bottom. It looks quite complicated if I have the 2 as here and here, and then the green ones here, 2, 3, 4, 5. I start getting lots of crossing vectors, and that's fine at the moment, but sometimes it might be easier to think of a 2M and split up my vertices either side like that. Remember, 2 red ones are not allowed to connect to each other, but they must connect to all the greens. So I can start seeing this one a lot easier. So this 2, 5, or if it was 2, 6 or whatever, each one of these joining together makes a lot more sense, a lot more visible sense to be able to see a bipartite graph like that. Bipartite graphs are going to come up a lot on graph theory.